Good morning. Camped all weekend. Now we're back at work. If you can call this work. We're going to change the oil tank, oil reservoir on this 225 Pro XS. He got a little alarm going off on it. Still got oil in it, so we're going to get to it. We're doing this job hanging in the boat lift. We do most of the jobs hanging in the boat lift. We come to you. We do all the repairs on site. Ain't fell in the water but once or twice. And we're gonna go ahead and take the bottom cowling loose. Make this easier to do. This Brett's boat lift makes me nervous. The whole goddamn thing might fall in the water at any second. Does that a few times a year. You can change this oil tank without taking all this off, but it makes it easier if you do. Okay. Let that hang out right there. So we're gonna put him some in here. Then we'll set it down and crank the motor and we'll bleed the oil tank. Make sure the alarm goes away. Okay. That stuff's expensive enough. We don't want to waste it. Clean up our new part where it looks good. See, I leave that about right there. We're finished draining this oil in this tank. We're gonna crank the motor up and let it air bleed on its own so we make sure we don't have any air in it. Okay, we got our boat sitting down in the water now so we can crank the motor up. Come in here, lower his jack plate down. Grab a hold of the key. What we want to happen is we want this tank to fill up by itself, and we want a little bit of oil to come out of that cap right there. All right, oil tank's replaced, bled. Now we gotta start the motor back up and make sure it took care of its critical alarm. Hopefully it did. It's not blowing up, that's just what Optimaxes sound like. Okay, so We've been running about 10 minutes now. We don't have any critical alarms. All that went away. No oil leaks. We got the cowling put back on. And everything seems to be running well. We're gonna shut it down, shut off his battery switch, pick the boat back up, and call this job completed. We're gonna end this afternoon a little late. Down here on the cove in the Berry. Waiting on my trailer to get here so we can trailer it up. Got the detail man coming. Gonna give it a full buff and polish and make her look brand new again.